Anything more than that, you'll need to consolidate down into 2 items or leave an item here with Katie Dave check. All right, everybody, we got the school group that's going to be on board. We find the easiest way to do this is let them go first. They go to all the way back to the back of the plane. Is there anybody here that wants to go to the back of the plane?
More than ever, we'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with us. Flight attendants tonight, we have Troy and Bridget back, Satari, Heather up front. Shortly after takeoff, we're going to provide complimentary soft drinks, juice, coffee, tea, and water. We never anticipate a change in our cabin's pressure, but if needed, 4 oxygen masks will drop from the overhead compartment. To activate the flow of oxygen, pull down on the mask until the plastic tubing is fully expended. Remove your personal face covering, place the yellow cup over your nose and mouth. Adjust the elastic band around your head and breathe normally. Although oxygen is flowing, the plastic valve may not inflate. Continue wearing your mask until notified by crew members. If you're traveling with children or anyone needing your assistance, place your mask on first, then assist the other person. We're here for your comfort, primarily your safety. Please report any unwanted behavior to a flight attendant. Thank you for your attention. Please enjoy your 70-minute flight into Minneapolis-St. Paul. Welcome on board. And then we're going to dim our cabin lights folks, and that is why you wear your seatbelts low and tight across the hips. Welcome to Minneapolis, St. Paul. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened. Karen Adams Stowed to at the gate. Seatbelt sign has been turned off. Use caution when opening overhead compartments. Items tend to shift during flight and could fall out. For making a connection, double check TV monitors for the most up-to-date flight departure information. It's been a pleasure having y'all on board. We know you have many choices when it comes to air travel. Thank you for choosing us here at Southwest Airlines. Next time your travel plans bring you to the sky, check us out at southwest.com. You may use cell phones and their cellular functions, but please keep seatbelts fastened. Karen Adams Stowed to at the gate. Seatbelt sign has been turned off. This is the conclusion of this flight. Double check, make sure you have all of your belongings. Once you get off the aircraft, you won't be able to come back on. So double check seat backs, floor area, overhead bins. Make sure you take all of your belongings with you once you're departing. Enjoy the rest of your week. The next day to get rolled soon. Welcome to Minneapolis, St. Paul.
I didn't recognize who they were. Girls, red, and Gracie. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. So I'm like, okay, as long as we're in our seat by 8 o'clock, absolutely.